Welcome back, guys, down to Point Marina and the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramp channel.
Miami Boat Ramp!
Tell you what, guys, every time you see our camera guy down there, I promise this will get you on the show every time. I'll tell you what, guys, it's going to be a fun one down here. As you can tell from these flags, the wind is blowing hard today, and if you actually look down at the water, you're going to notice the current is pulling strong as well. So anybody who's trying to dock against the current and the wind today, it's going to be a challenge. But even sometimes when you're docking with the current and the wind, when it's blowing this hard, it can even still be a challenge because it's going to push you into the dock faster than you want to go in. But these guys are definitely trying the against the grain approach, and he's struggling early. Ooh, no, guys, no. Those engines are getting awfully close to the dock. Oh, no. He's going to hit. Oh, he just missed. Are they going to? No. Well, the dock for the save, I guess. Man, that's a rough one right there. I hate when you see somebody hit their engine on the dock, you never know if you're going to get any damage or anything, and that one is almost cringeworthy when it happens. These guys are going to get it pulled back over here, man. But definitely, like I said, this is going to be an interesting one with the current and the wind blowing in the same direction today. Is going to make for some fun scenes down here at the boat ramp, that's for sure. Well, this crew at least appears to be taking the easier approach where they're going to try and dock and let the current and the wind push them in, but let's see how they handle this. The little push off from the dock, the little tap of love right there. I mean, this current and wind should be pushing them in a little bit. I don't know. Let's see how they're going to pull. This should be pretty uneventful. Well, this is a different approach. Wifey just trying to nudge the boat in. I mean, not sure what pulling on the line's going to do here, but yeah, she's definitely seems a little confused by this. She was not coached up by Cap before getting into the dock. Oh! First miss. I mean, that was an interesting one. It's tough to understand what's being said here, especially, when you've got this much distance between us. But this conversation is probably going something like this. The officer's like, bro, take me with you. And my man's like, bro, I don't have any more room. As you can tell, we're loading up right now, and I don't have any more room for you. And the officer's still pleading his case here. He's like, look, dude, it's just the two of you guys and these 8 girls. So, I mean, I think you got room for me on the boat as well. Nah, bro, we can't handle it. We can't do it today. I'm just imagining that's what that conversation's going like. I mean, but you never know. Maybe this guy can talk his way onto this boat. He is, however, working, so maybe he should stay down here at Black Point and do his job. But, I mean, you never know. I guess maybe it's worth it. Maybe if he gets on the boat, it's worth going. So these gentlemen have chosen to drive the boat off the trailer versus somebody being on the dock and just walking the boat off, which is normally not that big of a deal. But once again, as we've already established today, the current is pulling, and they are launching from a dock where the current's going to pull them immediately as soon as he gets off this trailer into the other direction. So we'll see how this one winds up landing. I mean, they do have a guy over here. I mean, I guess he could have walked it off. I don't know what the decision process was here, why somebody thought this was a better plan. And here we go. Current's pulling out. What's going on, gentlemen? Yeah, and he's sliding. I mean, we called it. This dude's straight flexing on this rope, though, man. Like, I got this line, yo. I'm going to get you back over here. There's still no rear line out either, which is going to make this even more difficult. So he's just pulling from what appears to be a mid-cleat. Which, I mean, they did that part right. I like it when people use the mid-cleat instead of the front cleat. Give a little love push off, a little love tap. Homeboy straight flexing on the line again, and they're going to get this one pulled in, so it's going to work out in the end. But I saw that. I knew as soon as they were coming off, when I saw he was pulling off and nobody was holding the line, that this boat was going. The current's just ripping today. We got another vessel coming in here as well. And these guys up here, they're gonna try the same thing. We are gonna go for a dock against the current. Let's see if these guys can fare any better than some of our other boaters today who tried this. Am I the only one who does this? When I'm approaching a dock, one of the first things I do, especially in coastal environments, is I just sit there at an idle for a second, see which way the current's rolling, and I approach the dock to where the current's usually just gonna push me into the dock. The only time I'm gonna go against the current is if I have to. I mean, if there's literally, all these ramps are full and the only ramp that's open is I've got to go in against the current. Come on, man. You can throw the line. And he's going to miss his opportunity to even throw the line. That's something else down here at Black Point you should see more of. I mean, if you just let enough slack out on the rope, you should be able to easily just kind of toss one of those lines over the pool and pull yourself back in. A whole lot easier than when they have nothing but cleats on the ground. And let's see how long it takes them to figure out, yeah, we should just go to the other dock. We're going to get a push off at least. Let's see if they commit to this dock now. And it appears they probably will. At least they should, yeah. Yeah, I hate to see him get back on the boat, so it's always nice when it works out by coincidence that you still just get into the dock safely and easily, and you don't have to worry about it. Well, I shouldn't. Maybe I spoke too soon. It looks like we're still struggling a little bit here to try and get this back in. Oh, there we go. Now we got a line off. You should be able to walk this in a little bit now. Always a fun day down at the dock. Oh, is that the crocodile or the manatee? I can't tell from here which one it is, but somebody's, one of them is creeping up on this guy. Man, he might get the scare of a lifetime if he turns around and sees that. Ah, here we go. Black Point Croc having a little lunch. Been pretty active over here today too, man. A lot of people over here. The manatee's been around, and everybody's been kind of out playing. But I'm assuming this is why the Black Point Crocodile hangs out here. Nice meals for him. Probably just gets tossed right off the fillet table, and you know, he enjoys that. Makes life easy. And no, it does not appear our officer was able to talk his way onto this vessel. And we've got another victim. That's right. You can see my man hopping on the tongue. This boat, or I shouldn't say this boat, excuse me, this truck is stuck. They cannot get it off the ramp. See this a lot down here. Oh, we've enlisted help. We've got the whole crew coming in to try and get some traction on this now. And everybody's going to just jump, I imagine. Here we go. I like the kid here. Look at the one with the fist pump in the air, pretending like it's Jersey Shore. Oh, man. Uh-oh, they're sliding backwards there. That's not good there. He's pulling a little bit up, but they're still not, they're just not getting any traction whatsoever. He's got plenty of weight, so that's not an issue anymore. I mean, got the whole crew back here bouncing. Let's see if they can get this thing out of here. They are not getting any traction, even with all these kids jumping and my man jumping on the tongue. They're getting nowhere. They might be in a little bit of a, I don't want to say they're in trouble, but they might need a little more help. We'll see if they can wind up getting out of here. I don't know, this way, yeah. Looks like they're kind of giving up. Looks like we're going to get a pull out. Somebody's going to have to help tow these guys out of here. I mean, it's definitely never a dull moment down here at the boat ramps. There's always something going on, it feels like. I mean, every single time we come down here, we catch some pretty incredible shots, or, you know, always some kind of entertaining factors are going on for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things over at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And we also have another collaboration channel called Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And I got to thank Big Mike for hanging out with us behind the sticks today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.